Struggling with high blood sugar? Want natural ways to manage diabetes? In this video, discover 10 powerful herbs and simple homemade recipes to control diabetes naturally. Let's get started. The body tries to balance high blood sugar by making the person feel extremely thirsty, leading to constant water intake. High blood sugar forces the kidneys to remove excess glucose, resulting in frequent urination, even at night. Cells cannot use glucose for energy, so the body burns fat instead, causing rapid and unexpected weight loss. Despite eating, the body does not get enough energy, leading to persistent and excessive hunger. The body's inability to use glucose properly leads to low energy levels, causing constant tiredness and weakness. High blood sugar affects the lenses of the eyes, leading to temporary or permanent blurred vision. High glucose levels impair blood circulation and weaken the immune system, causing slow wound healing. Nerve damage from prolonged high blood sugar leads to tingling, numbness, or pain, especially in the hands and feet. Insulin resistance can cause dark, velvety patches of skin, usually on the neck, armpits, or groin. High sugar levels weaken the immune system, making the body prone to bacterial and fungal infections. So, which herbs can we use to heal? Here are some sample recipes. But first, if you found the video useful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Cinnamon helps lower blood sugar and improves insulin sensitivity. Steep cinnamon sticks or powder in hot water for 10 minutes and strain before drinking. Cook oats with milk, add cinnamon powder, and top with honey or fruits. Blend apple, milk, cinnamon, and honey until smooth. Toss almonds with cinnamon and honey, then bake until crispy. Soak a cinnamon stick in water overnight and drink in the morning. Fenugreek supports blood sugar regulation and enhances insulin function. Soak fenugreek seeds in hot water for 10 minutes, then strain and drink. Mix fenugreek sprouts with chopped vegetables and lemon juice. Blend fenugreek seeds with banana, milk, and honey. Mix fenugreek seeds into bread dough and bake as usual. Add fenugreek powder to pancake batter and cook until golden brown. Bitter melon contains compounds that mimic insulin, reducing blood glucose levels. Blend bitter melon with water and strain before drinking. Stir-fry sliced bitter melon with onions, garlic, and spices. Simmer bitter melon slices in vegetable broth with herbs and spices. Thinly slice bitter melon, season, and bake or fry until crispy. Mix chopped bitter melon with eggs and fry until set. Aloe vera aids in lowering fasting blood sugar and improves pancreatic function. Blend fresh aloe vera gel with water and lemon juice, then strain. Blend aloe vera gel with coconut water and fruits. Mix fresh aloe vera gel with plain yogurt and honey. Combine chopped aloe vera and cucumber with lemon dressing. Infuse aloe vera gel in water overnight and drink. Ginger helps reduce blood sugar levels and improves insulin response. Boil ginger slices in water for 10 minutes, strain, and serve. Blend ginger with banana, yogurt, and honey until smooth. Soak ginger slices in water overnight and drink. Blend ginger, turmeric, lemon juice, and black pepper. Stir-fry mixed vegetables with grated ginger and garlic. Holy basil lowers blood sugar and reduces oxidative stress in diabetes management. Steep fresh or dried tulsi leaves in hot water for 10 minutes. Blend tulsi leaves with banana, yogurt, and honey. Mix tulsi leaf extract with lemon juice, water, and honey. Blend tulsi leaves with garlic, nuts, and olive oil. Soak tulsi leaves in water overnight and drink. Gymnema reduces sugar cravings and supports healthy blood glucose levels. Steep gymnema leaves in hot water for 10 minutes and strain. Blend gymnema powder with banana, almond milk, and honey. Mix gymnema powder with dates, nuts, and honey, then roll into balls. Stir gymnema powder into plain yogurt with honey. Mix gymnema extract with lemon juice, honey, and water. Okra contains fiber and compounds that help regulate blood sugar spikes. Soak sliced okra in water overnight and drink in the morning. Toss okra with olive oil and spices, then roast until crispy. Simmer okra with tomatoes, garlic, and spices. Blend raw okra with banana, yogurt, and honey. Stir-fry sliced okra with onions, garlic, and spices. Amla, Indian gooseberry. Rich in antioxidants, it supports pancreatic function and glucose metabolism. Blend amla with water and honey, then strain before drinking. Boil dried amla slices in water, strain, and serve. Blend amla with spices, garlic, and chili to make a thick paste. Blend amla with yogurt, honey, and banana. Soak sliced amla in water overnight and drink. Bilberry. Improves insulin sensitivity and supports eye health for diabetics. Steep dried bilberries in hot water for 10 minutes and strain. Blend bilberries with yogurt and honey until smooth. Mix bilberries with chia seeds, almond milk, and honey, then refrigerate. Cook oats with milk, then top with bilberries and honey. Soak bilberries in water overnight and drink. You can subscribe to not miss our new upcoming videos.